Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to unlock the Tesla Roadster in 3D driving class. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Villa section of the game. Once you arrive at the Villa, make sure to exit your current vehicle. This will allow you to move freely and follow the path to find your new electric car. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started right away. Now that you're in the villa, your next step is to find the main house. Once you've located it, head inside. You'll need to go up both flights of stairs to reach the correct floor. After ascending the stairs, look for a specific door and proceed through it. This path leads you closer to the special item you need to unlock the Tesla Roadster. Upon entering the room, you will clearly see a present box. This is the key to unlocking the Tesla Roadster. Simply walk directly into the present to collect it. There are no puzzles or challenges, just interact with the box. Once you collect it, the Tesla Roadster will be immediately unlocked and added to your vehicle collection. Congratulations! You have successfully unlocked the Tesla Roadster. Now, you can access the vehicle selection menu from the game's main interface. Scroll through your available cars and select the Tesla Roadster. You are now ready to enjoy driving this fantastic electric car around the various maps in 3D driving class. Have fun exploring with your new ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.